Our production plans for 2019 and onwards will entail the oxides going into production later this summer. We'll have one full quarter of production between September and December, and then next year in 2020 we'll be at full rate producing approximately 40,000 ounces of gold equivalent with a rough margin of about $700 an ounce. So that's a fairly robust starter project that can run for 4.5 years. We'll use the cash from this starter project to actually fund our exploration and then the development of our phase 2 mine, where that will be the build of a CIL plant in the next couple of years, where our production profile could grow to approximately 150,000 ounces a year for hopefully 12 to 15 years. Our ATO project started development right after our IPO on May 22nd of 2018. We've since built a 200-man camp. The crusher is operating 24/7 today. The ADR plant is nearly complete by the end of April, with dry commissioning and wet commissioning in the first few weeks of May, at which point we'll move to a cyanide permit in May or June and first gold later this summer. So it's been a very quick build in record time. In less than 10 months, we've actually built 95% of the mine today, and we've already moved from CapEx to OpEx. Today we're already mining, crushing, stacking our first cell 1, where we have 160,000 tons of material stacked on cell 1 already. What sets us apart is our aggression. We're a very aggressive company in a good way. We do take a conservative approach. We're building a mine in record time. However, we're not building a bigger and better mine. So bigger is not always better. What we do is move forward in a conservative approach, de-risk our assets, and get to cash flow quickly. Many are looking for bigger projects and bigger scale right off the bat, and that's not always the best approach. Small companies going public, my advice would be to find a very strong partner right at the outset. In Steppe Gold, we brought Triple Flag in at the very beginning. They're a great partner, both financially but also technically and operationally. And you need a strong partner that is not just there for a transaction, but also as a partnership approach. You find a very strong partner early on, and your chances for success will be much better. The mining sector in Canada has certainly changed in the last 4 or 5 years. The capital markets are almost non-existent in North America in terms of mining flows, and the best way to actually obtain capital for smaller juniors has been the royalty space, the streaming space, and other corporate issuers who are investing in the junior space. That's been the main difference, I think, in the evolving capital markets.